Hello guys, welcome back to Target Developers. My name is SHIVAM SAHU. I am a front-end engineer. If you want Angular support or freelance work or project work or online tuitions, then contact me on WhatsApp. Number is 975-224-5608. So guys, firstly we talk on array of JSON objects. So basically, it is used to transmit data between a server and a web application, used to store and manipulate collections of objects in JSON format. JSON objects are surrounded by curly braces v and are written in key-value pairs. Keys must be strings and values must be valid JSON data types, string, number, etc. So guys, here I am trying to show you how we can write the structure of array of JSON objects in TS file. So you can see here we are creating 3 objects under employee array. Now, I will show you how we can fetch array of JSON objects through HTTPClient. Inside the TS file, we are injecting HTTPClient in the constructor. And also you can see above we are importing HTTPClient. So guys, now we are calling method get, which comes under HTTPClient, and also we are subscribing. Now we will give path of our local JSON file inside get method parameter, which we have created earlier. And also we need to import HTTPCLIENTMODULE you can see on the screen. Guys, now we will design the table inside the HTML file by using table tag as you can see on the screen. Here we are looping array of JSON object using Angular structural directive, getting response and employee data, interpolating employee ID, first name, last name, as you can see on the screen. We have successfully run our code. Now we will go to browser and see output. So you can see we have fetched local JSON file through HTTPClient.